Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE, and we are going to go over how you would add windshield washer fluid on this vehicle. The windshield washer fluid is located on the right hand side of the vehicle. We have the filler cap right here. It is blue, and we have the washer symbol. So you're just going to pop that cover over or up, and your reservoir is actually right down here on the side, inside there. But so then we've got the cover popped up, and we're going to add our washer fluid. Now you can use any brand or kind that you like, and you'll just add it in here. There you go. And so that's where you would add your washer fluid in it. If it's completely empty, it's going to take almost a whole gallon of washer fluid. And if it's full, but you're still not getting washer fluid, you're either going to need to start looking at whether it's your pump or whether the jets that shoot the washer fluid have gotten clogged, or vice versa. But that is how you would add your washer fluid on your 2017 Jaguar. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.